sell where the buyers are, right? The easiest way to make sales is to show your book where the most people who are buying books are hanging out. That's one place. That's Amazon. Amazon is the juggernaut. You can't even compete with Apple Books or Barnes and Noble or anything else. Amazon's where people go buy books. So we want to publish our book there. Even my students, when they ask me, should I be publishing my book on other platforms? The answer is no, not until you're over $5,000 or $6,000 in sales on Amazon. There's no point, because if your book's not making the sales that you want, it's not because of the platform it's on, it's because of probably some other things. So Amazon is the focus. It's the easiest way to get sales in this business, especially when you're brand new. Amazon, they have all the traffic. You don't need a website because Amazon's built their website, and there's no tech headaches. Amazon handles absolutely everything for you, and you don't need inventory. And like I said, Amazon handles everything. Customer service, nada. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about returns. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about, customers can't figure out the wrong thing, or they bought the wrong thing, or whatever the case is. All the issues that customers come up with, Amazon handles all of that. All you do is you sit back behind your computer and you just publish books, and make sales. And Amazon handles all of the hard work for you. It's a wonderful, wonderful business. Uploading your book. How do you get your book up to Amazon? Well, it's really easy. You're going to click the link in the description. You're going to join the 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. And guess what? On day 3, what I do is I show you exactly how to upload your book to Amazon KDP for free. You're going to upload it. I'm going to show you how to choose all the categories to make sure you get the bestseller rank. I'm going to show you how to enter the 7 keyword slots in your book to make sure your book ranks properly so it's easily found on Amazon, right? Because if your book's invisible, there's a good chance it's because you're doing this process wrong. So I will show you how to do that inside the Publish and Profit Challenge for free.